Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Crypto.com, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you buy cryptocurrency on Crypto.com? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a quick video. There's not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, this is assuming that you've already funded your Crypto.com account. If you haven't done that yet, be sure to go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But if you'd like to buy cryptocurrency on Crypto.com, it's all handled here in their app. It's this blue and white one right here. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I'm going to go ahead and open up my Crypto.com app now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Crypto.com app. This is the home screen here. Here on the home screen, you can see how much Crypto.com balance is. So mine is just a small dollar amount here. But if you're looking to buy cryptocurrency on Crypto.com, again, this is assuming you've already funded your account. What you want to do is go ahead and click on this button down here on the bottom center. It looks like a little blue lion. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, the screen pops up. But in order to buy cryptocurrency on Crypto.com, you want to click down here on the bottom left. There's this buy button. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Now, you can go ahead and choose from a lot of different cryptocurrencies that are available on Crypto.com. If you just scroll right through, there's plenty available. But one thing you will know is that there are a lot of altcoins that are not available on Crypto.com, even though the inventory is quite large, much larger than some of the other popular platforms. But once you're ready to choose one, just go ahead and click right into it. Okay, so I went ahead and clicked into this cryptocurrency LRC. I'm actually not too familiar with this one at all. But we'll go ahead and go through the process so that we can see what it looks like. First thing, and most important, you want to make sure you're choosing the correct funding source. So you can choose credit card, crypto wallet, or fiat wallet. If you use a credit card, it's going to withdraw from the debit card that you have associated with your Crypto.com account. You can always use your crypto wallet, or you can do what I do and use your fiat wallet. I'm going to click there now. Okay, next this screen pops up. So then what's going to happen is you want to make sure that you don't buy too much cryptocurrency, but it will give you the conversion. And it looks like by default, this one is set up to 1000 LRC. I obviously don't want to buy that much, so let me go ahead and drop that down by clicking here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this, and then it will let you know what the minimum buy is right here. So the minimum for this particular cryptocurrency to buy on Crypto.com is 52 LRC. So I type that in, and then as you can see, it's letting me know that it's going to be $38.39 to buy 52 LRC cryptocurrency on Crypto.com. If all that looks good as far as the funding source and the amount you want to buy, go ahead and click on this blue buy button. I'm going to click there now. Okay, so you have 15 seconds to accept this order, going over the rate, the fee, the method of payment, and the amount. I'm going to click confirm. You need to enter in your passcode. I'm going to enter that in. Okay, next you get this confirmation screen of the cryptocurrency that you bought on Crypto.com. As you can see, I bought 52 LRC on Crypto.com, which is some sort of cryptocurrency available right now. I've never heard of it, but if you have, be sure to leave a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on LRC. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.